Here's I will show you how to add feather to your edges. First of all, I'm just duplicating this layer and selecting the upper layer and going to select, clicking on subject to automatically select my image subject first of all. Once my subject selected, now I'm clicking on select, hovering on modify, and here clicking on feather, or you can press shift plus F6 to open the feather. Here all you have to need give here your feather value. I'm giving 10 pixels for example and clicking on OK, and feather added. Now I'm just clicking on this mask icon and hiding the background layer, and we can see feather 10 pixel feather added to my image subject edges. And here's another way to do it. After selecting your subject or area where you want to add feather edges, just go to select and here click on select and mask, or you can press Alt plus Ctrl plus R to open this feather and mask. Here first of all I'm just zooming in my photo, and here we can see the feather option. Now you can increase your edge feather just like this and then tap on done, and that's it. This is how we can actually add feather in our image edges. Thanks for watching.